Good morning, fellow gaming nerds. Welcome to the Whiplash Hell channel. I know this is a bit odd, but I got to fill everybody in on what's going on in my real life. Of course, everybody knows I've been working my ass off. I'm doing this on my phone right now because I messed up my PC. Sunday, I ended up giving my Steam machine to my grandkids. I come home to clean my PC because it's been about a year and a half since it's been cleaned out, right? So I tore it apart and I was trying to get to the air cooler on the CPU, and I thought it might be easier from the top, and I messed up the power plug. And I'm fixing to show it to you here in just 1 second, but I needed to get this video out so everybody understands that I'm down on my PC. I don't have a gaming PC at all right now. I've contacted Dell today. They said it'd be anywhere from 24 to 48 hours before I get contacted back because I'm out of warranty. All I need to do is order a part from them because I can't do it on my own because of proprietary hardware, more or less. And I'll show you here in just a second. Let me flip this thing around. Okay, there it is. That's my Alienware Aurora R8. It is in pieces right now. I'll show you the beauty of it at a later time. Matter of fact, I might actually record putting it together with my other camera. Right now I'm just using my phone, so I apologize if the video is not very good. But anyway, this is the front side. As you can see, I know my lighting kind of sucks, and I apologize for that. But I took this out, and this comes apart right here. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. It's pretty tough. I should open it up for... Oh, there it comes. Maybe. Bear with me. I've never done this one-handed. Okay, I think I'm going to need two hands. Hang on, I'm going to set the phone down. Alright, I apologize for that. This opens up over here. This right here is the power supply. There's my graphics card. And I might lay it down here just a second to show you more, but the CPU cooler is up in there. There's a CPU. I actually have it out. It's right there. But it goes right up here in this vent. And I thought it would be easier to take it off from the top. So I took the side panel off right here. As you can see, it's got lighting on it. And I'll lay this to the side. There's actually another piece that goes up in here, but I left it off for this little demonstration. But this little cord right here, you have to unplug from the side panel. This controls the lighting, but this is also the power button. This is the power button. This goes down to the motherboard. And what happened was, when I grabbed the back of this and I went to go pop it off, I popped it off, and the force of the pop from coming apart, I ended up losing it out of my hand. Well, when I did this, the power button is right here. I hope you guys can see that. It's right there on this side. Right there. And this cord runs up to here. Well, when it popped off, it flipped up and flipped back, flipped up over top of it like that, and it tore it out from the circuit board. I got it right over here. I'm so sorry. I feel like I keep looking down at the camera and I'm not seeing what I'm showing. But yeah, it goes right there. This is just a little housing. That pops right out. It's just that right there. That's the power button. And I've got to get a new one. I think you only need really 3 wires off this, but I don't know which ones they are. And I have no clue because nothing's marked. And if this was I wish I could take a button out of one of my older cases and put in it, but I can't do it because these plugs are even proprietary. This goes to the lighting on the side panel, and this goes. I guess it's jumped down to here and jumped down to the motherboard, and even the freaking motherboard. Let's see if I can't flip this over without too much trouble. I'm sorry if I'm getting this too much off camera. I really apologize. I've never really done anything like this on a phone before, but right now I really have no other option. I'm gonna lay this down. Get this back off. That sits inside of it, this little piece here. Let me move this cooler. And I'm gonna turn this over so y'all can see inside of it real quick. Let's open this up just a little bit more. Okay. Now CPU cooler, it sits right here, and the radiator goes up in here with the fan. And I didn't want to blow out all this dust. As you can see, there's about 1.5 years dust clogged in there. And I didn't want to blow it out all over the inside of the PC, so I decided to take it out. And I thought, when I looked at this guard where the radiator is, I thought that if I took the screws out from the inside, I'd be able to pull it out this way. And that's why I took the top off. Unbeknownst to me, my dumbass didn't look close enough, because if I would have looked just a little bit closer at the chassis, I would have been able to see that this goes in, this chassis for the radiator goes in from the inside. And I don't know if y'all can see all that dust. This is my GeForce RTX card, but look at all that dust. Yeah, there's a lot of dust in here. It's about 1.5 years worth. I know you guys probably have seen way worse or on videos and stuff, but I figured it was about time for me to clean this thing out. I love this PC. It's been one of the best PCs I've ever owned, but if you notice, I'm going to try to stick my hand in here, but you notice this right here? This right here is where you put all the inputs for the power, reset button, all that other good stuff for your motherboard that usually are set with jumper switches. And this it doesn't have anything like that. The only jumper switches they have is for clearing the CMOS right there, power clear. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's down in there, right in there. I know it looks blurry on my phone, so I apologize, but it's gonna be. Let me switch this back. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's going to be, I have no clue. I really don't. It depends on what Dell's going to want to do. I'm afraid that they're going to say, well, it's out of warranty. You got to get the service warranty, and then you're going to have to ship it to us and get it fixed. If I got to do that, I'm going to be really upset. Really upset. But we'll see. I don't want to make assumptions. This is something I'm worried about in the back of my head. And I guess I'll find out within the next 48 hours what's going to happen. I'm praying that I'll just be able to order the part from them and then put it in myself, which is not going to be an issue because I already have it out. But I think I am going to make a video this week since I'm not going to be able to do any gaming at all. But I think I am going to make a video of cleaning this up, and then I'll finish the video out with hopefully putting in the, I'm not really sure what that thing is called. I call it a power switch circuit board because that's more or less what it is. I don't know if it has a specific name or not, but I am going to make plans for building a better PC, or one that is at least comparable to the one I have right now. If I'm going to be a gamer or a content creator, I don't know why, but anyway, if I am going to be one, then I guess it's probably important that I have at least 2 PCs in case something happens. But I am going to look into buying parts to build one because I really enjoy doing that kind of stuff as well. So I got like 3 different cases that I could use here at the house. I'm not sure that I would use them, but because they're kind of cheap. But I will be looking into that because I gave my steam machine to my grandbabies, so it is what it is. I apologize, everybody that watches my Jaws of Extinction and Survive the Nights and the new game I just got, The Road to Eden. I really enjoy playing all those games, and I hate letting anybody down from watching my videos because I have a lot of fun doing it. I really do. So this is what's been going on. This is totally my fault. Ain't nobody else but my own. If I just would have had a little bit better grip on it, I wouldn't be going through this trouble. But yeah, that thing just pulled right the hell out. Daggone, that's what she said. All right, guys. I hope y'all understand. And I'll keep you informed. I might put up another video or two like this. Might not be so informative, but I'll keep you posted. Maybe throw up some updates when I hear from Dell and see what happens. So hope you enjoy my video. If you did, hit that like button. If you guys want to see more, subscribe to the channel. Everyone have a beautiful day, and God bless.